My name is Martha Hoffman, and I am president and founder of Call to Care Uganda, which is a nonprofit organization with a mission to help people get access to clean, safe water. We've been going strong for 10 years now. The first time I came to Uganda was in 2006, and I thought I understood poverty. I thought I understood what that looked like. I found that I really had no idea. Going through village after village and town after town and just seeing this need that was really mind-bending. The one thing that I realized that they absolutely needed to have, that really is the springboard for anything else, is access to clean, safe water. I knew that there were the obvious health benefits that would come with clean and safe water and having access to it, but what didn't occur to me was the fact that the girls were unable to go to school because all they were doing all day long was just trekking back and forth all those miles with those heavy jerry cans. So, they were exhausted and they didn't have any opportunity to go to school. Also, the women, if it weren't the girls, it were the women that were doing it, and they too didn't have any opportunity to do anything but that all day and then boil the water after they got the dirty water. So giving back that gift of time is really, it's hard to put a price tag on that even, because what it's done is it's had the girls now are able to go to school and are getting educated, and the women are starting businesses, and the overall development of the community, it's just elevated. Once the girls are going to school and the women are working and everyone is healthy, that's when things can start to function properly and normally and go forward. Chris Ocholoi is Call to Care Uganda's chairman, a man on the ground. He is the connection to almost everything we do. Having a partner like that to work with is such an invaluable gift, because he really understands what we're doing, because he himself didn't have water, and we drilled in his home village, was one of the first places.
My name is Chris Ocholoi. I am the country director in Uganda. The wells we've drilled so far, actually we've seen a very big change in the lives of people in the area, in that community. Before we put up a well, people are usually actually in very terrible condition. The children are sickly, missing out schools because of the sicknesses, which are water related. Sicknesses like typhoid, dysentery, diarrhea, bilharzia are very common in those areas where there are no wells, where people are taking unclean water. But the places where we put up water in, there is a drastic change, a serious change, that people no longer fall sick. The children go to school healthy, the adults, the parents, the grandparents are healthy. The most benefit are the children in the community and the women. They're the ones actually who do most of the domestic work. So when the water source is closer to them, they are relieved. They spend most of the time in doing their farming activities. So there's an increase in farming production. They go early to attend their classes. They're never late at school. They perform well and their grades improve highly. This is a wonderful gift that God has called me to do. People appreciating me is a big thing. And seeing them smile, seeing them smart, they're no longer falling sick. The girls are able to go to school. The children are happy, and it brings happiness in my life. I sleep a happy person and peaceful than even a rich man.